All right, all right, all right. How's it going, everybody? This is Data is King, episode number 6. This is for Team Hermoso, Leonardo Hermoso, directly from what is this? What is this? What is this? What is it? Where are we going live? Oh, here we go. Boom. All right, all right, all right, guys. We're live, 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 live. And this is for Team Hermoso. Leo is shaking everything out. So today I wanted to take you guys around our Slack, our group, our team area. So you know exactly what you're going to get when you join us. I'm still learning how to use this correctly. So we will just have a few things in how, probably have the tag in Leo's Twitter tag and everything, but just to give you an idea, okay? So we're going to look into what we offer. So as soon as you sign up, you come directly to our environment when you are welcomed by myself, Leo, and the rest of the gang. And you can see we have different channels. Every channel has an automated, I repeat, it's automated content, very specific that we use. For example, in the supply demand channel, as you may expect, we work with everything that has to do with supply and demand that Leo has set up automatically. So it's not a surprise, just what Leo is saying here now. See what he's doing. Oh my God, man, this thing is super slow. Yeah, I'm alive. All right, let's go back to the channel. So for those of you that love trade, supply and demand, this is not a new thing, but what is new is new for all of you. Most of you, the ones that are traders, want to be traders, or are looking for tools to improve your trading with a lot less amount of time staring at charts. A lot of you are bored of using lag indicators. I'm not going to be offensive to RSI or stochastic or probably Bollinger Bands or anything else like that. What does happen is there are maybe easier ways for you to trade. And that's exactly what we want to share with you at Team Hermoso. Leo is a programmer. Sort of like an analyst that I like to crunch numbers. I like to work with tools and really squeeze them. So that's what I do with Leo. Now, when we look at this from the perspective, hey V, how's it going, man? Grande el negro. Yeah. Claro que sí, mi gente. So when you look from the perspective of understanding where to look, our channels will make your life easier. You don't have to look at multiple charts at a time. You can come into our, let's call it team environment, and as you can set your favorites on Slack, and then decide which channel you want to trade. For example, my case, I'm a pure volatility trader. When it comes to volatility, I'm more like an analyst, but if I have to label myself when I look for trade opportunities, I look for volatility, and that's very important. That's one of the things Leo coded, the volatility tool that goes all the way back to the 2000s to pick all that data from FX and other asset classes, and he crunched that information into one single data that allow us to know the top band and the lower band. So if you're a supply demand aficionado, then you have all the information you need right there, okay? The other channel we have, for example, you have also economic events, we have fundamentals. Let me show you a little bit of fundamentals so you see what do we have this level. I still need to learn how to use this particular streaming service. Okay, so you see you have different fundamental status for different currencies. So today, that was yesterday. I don't think we have anything new, Leo. Okay, so for example, if you are a fundamental trader, okay, if you're one of those that are looking for news and the core sentiment out there before you place the trade, then this is a tool for you. The FundaBot, I think we have to change the names, Leo. We really have to change the name to these things. They're fun, but I think we can always do better. So the Funda bot, what it does is gives you the core sentiment for the asset. In this case, we have we have the euro versus Japanese yen. We also have the dollar yen. At times, Leo trades commodities. We trade wheat, we trade sugar. It all depends. We trade gold, silver, soybeans. We cover also commodities. So I don't want you to think that this only applies to Forex. We also have, we're looking into a trade equities, but right now is highly effective for those of you that are trading Forex, commodities, indexes like the S&P 500, the DAX, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones. So that will be for you. Now, this signal comes, and as soon as it comes to the channel, you get a notification. We have a general channel where we discuss a lot of stuff about trading. We talk to the guys. We have a trade recap where you will see a lot of the executions from the bot and comments from Leo as far as what to trade, what not to trade. We also have a section for trade signals. If you are one of those that you're busy, for example, I know a lot of you're busy and you don't have the time. Well, Trading Signals is for you. It's an automated service where you can track all the different entries that Leo is taking or the bots that we have are taking. And you can always request to take a look at the track record that we have. Twitter. Twitter is a little bit of news, what is happening on the FinTwit space. But also at the same time, we have something called the Twitter sentiment that we're coming pretty soon. We're coming with entries. Absolutely. We're coming with signals based on Twitter sentiment. We will become one of the few teams, quant teams outside. It's not about posting beautiful things and hashtag this, hashtag the other. No, it's about understanding what is the sentiment based on the FinTwit, the financial Twitter community, and translate that information into one entry. It's either buy or sell. What is the optimal stop loss and what is the optimal also take profit, because we need an entry, we need where to place the risk and where to exit, okay? So that's one of the things we have to pay attention. Now, the other thing is the volatility bands. This is just more going into exactly what I talk about you guys, about the dashboard, and I will make sure you guys can take a look at the dashboard before I end this video. What happened is rather than you look for the specific asset class, this channel, automated, coded by Leo, will give you if the asset is above the top band based on the daily. For example, you can see it's daily, or you can see also if at this level, take a look monthly, if it's monthly. And it all comes to you. You don't have to go and hunt down that information. It will be available for you because we filter it, and it happens every day. What else can we do to make your life easier as traders? If you were dreaming to automate your trading as far as what to look, what to get, and when to get it, our team is for you then. You should look into joining us. This is not just a slogan. It is really the house of quant traders and analysts. That's the way it works for us. And you can see everything we have. Now, before I go, guys, today I just want to share with you exactly how the dashboard looks. This is the dashboard that Leo coded for all of us. And for a brief moment, I'm just going to expand and allow you to see exactly how it looks and what it does for us. So basically, like I said, if I were to set myself as a trader, I will be trading volatility only. And I can look at any given time. I can take this and say, okay, I want to look what is the Great British Pound expecting to do based on the data of the last 20 years. So that's for the monthly to the left, and then to the right, you will see here, same. You will add that information, and let me see if I can look that on the screen. There's a little bit delayed. There you go. Now, today, the day today, the top band was expected to be 130.50. What was the high of the day? It was 130.05. So if I were to look to go long, I will be targeting 130.50. But if I decided to go short, I will be placing my short with only 45 pips stop loss, targeting 129.20. Now tell me, what was the low of the day? That's what I want to know. What was the low of the day? So you see, this volatility tool base, it gives us an idea If you're long, what to target, when to exit, and if you're looking to go short, it gives you a clear idea how to place your stop loss. As anything is not perfect, but it's good. It's a good start. Now, for example, when you look at the Great British Pound versus the US dollar, if you think about the top of the band for the month of October, we're looking at as high as 134.48. Right now, we're trading at 129.43. And the bottom band, we shouldn't be surprised if we see again the currency trading at 127, because the bottom band is 126.95. So that's the dashboard. And there's a lot of things that I want to share with you today, as far as also the COT report, the CO commitment of trade report that Leo prepares every day. But I'm going to leave that for next episode. This is being episode 06, number 6. I thank you guys so much for your time. I know there's so much information out there today, and we're going to look to keep doing this every day so you get the best, how to look, what to look out there, and how to translate data. If you see, let me just come back, please. Okay. If you see, I didn't talk or show you any charts. No staring, my friends. No staring at charts. Pure data. And yes, there are a lot better data. We don't believe that we're the super quant traders, but we do believe with very basic tools, we can really guide you all. If those of you that want to, jump and take your trade into the next level, less time on the screen, more precision, then the tools we offer at Leo Hermoso, quant traders and analysts are the best fit for you, okay? I thank you for your time, guys. I see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. And remember, repeat after me. Data is king. One more time. What's it? Data is king. One more time, and I'm leaving. I'm going. One more time. What is king? Data. Data is king.